What's going on, Stellar XLM holder? So today I have something very special and very important update for all of you. Definitely the price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. So therefore I am also very happy, my friends, to see the Stellar XLM pumps. But in last 24 hours, minus 1.18%, the price is decreased now. And this is very bad, my friends. The price is decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute. And what we will need, my friends, to do if the price will fails down, definitely everything I will going to, my friends, to discuss now. But please, if you are new my channel, I have one request from all of you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type latest updates video, my friend. In those days, Stellar XLM, one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, so they will move upward. But you can see here, my friend, in the start of, you can see here, the last 24 hours, they were definitely take a very huge jump. But absolutely, my friend, in the mid, my friend, you can see here tonight they were fails down. So don't worry, my friend, if they were fails down. So absolutely after this fails, they will also take a very huge jump. But just and only we will need, my friends, to hold and wait for the end of month. I will give you guarantee, my friends. I will give you 100% guarantee to they will get a profit and they will make you millionaire, my friend. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and 100% get a very good profit just and only at the end of this month. So if you want to get a profit now, my friends, my prediction is 100% good positive. So if you want to get a profit now, wait for the end of the month and sell it. Definitely the start of month the price will fails down. So therefore I will notify you to just and only be ready and be active, my friend. When the price will fails down, so you will urgently sell it and get a very good profit. See you next time, holder. Please like video and also don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.